Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying power sources because most no-boot issues are simple. First, plug a confirmed good charger into a working outlet. Make sure the connector seats fully. Next, disconnect every accessory so nothing interferes. Then perform a power reset. Hold the power button for 10 seconds, release, wait 5 seconds, and press power once. Once done, watch for signs, fans, LED, or sound, and note any changes before moving to the next troubleshooting stage. Now you dig deeper. Pay attention to audio or lights because they hint at hardware status. If you hear chimes or fans, attempt safe mode by holding Shift, which bypasses problematic drivers. If that fails, try recovery with Command+R to access disk utility. Also connect an external monitor to check whether the Mac is booting with a blank internal screen. That tells you if the GPU or display is at fault. Make sure you hold keys early and keep them held until you see a response. For the final steps, perform an NVRAM reset on Intel Macs by holding Option plus Command plus P plus R for about 20 seconds. This clears display and boot settings. Inspect the battery and internals for swelling or corrosion only if you're comfortable opening the case. Otherwise, stop. If the Mac still won't power, backup data via target disk mode or remove the SSD, then seek Apple or certified repair. Troubleshooting tip. If symptoms are intermittent, log when they occur to help pinpoint failing hardware.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.